That's the weird thing.
Oh
I mean, all of your
everyone's in
bugs...
like miniature tanks.
What?
They've got like miniature... I've got hiccups. They've got miniature tanks as their head.
Hey? It's the head.
Oh my god. I'm going to see if I can upload this video tonight. This is going to be amazing. Whoa. Oh my god. He must have a pretty bad migraine from that. Oh my god. Damn it, I hate hiccups and graphicals. Oh, Jeep on the right.
Hey, I'm on your team now. And I'm also in the Venom. Where are you? I'll give you a lift.
I'm near that. I'm in near. I don't know.
Are you near the tank?
I'm near like this. Yeah. Is that you in the helicopter?
Yes. Get in. Ah.
Quick, drive.
Going sideways again.
Cool driving, bro.
Going up. Going up. Going. Where am I? I'm alive.
Cool driving, bro.
Hang on now. Hang on, where are you? Try to get down here. Quick. I'm being shot. I'm being targeted. Get in. Is the vehicle going to repair itself?
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
What?
Oh, I got changed over.
You're on the enemy team again?
I want to be attacking so I can get my new gun. But what?
Oh god. Oh my god, the black void of doom's back again.
I've armed the objective. Oh, I got RPG. Get on the objective.
I'm getting epilepsy now. Seriously. Oh, I might sue EA and DICE for giving me...
You can't, because it's the Nvidia.
Still, it's their game. I'll sue everyone then. Sod it. I'll
sue everyone for millions.
Sue Blizzard as well and Notch.
You just blame Notch. Minecraft had something to do with it somewhere.
Just for lols. Yeah, because Minecraft works. And that was made by a single Swedish dude.
True.
This was made by multiple Swedish dudes. With
so in theory, the less Swedish dudes you hire, the better.
Yes.
Right.
Oh my god. Never had hiccups for this long before.
Just stop breathing.
They're OP. Right, he blatantly wasn't there on my screen. Oh, you're on my team again.
Ah, I switched again. Oh crap.
Charge has been armed.
Oh. It may have fell.
Be advised, objective taken out. I repeat, objective taken out.
Peekaboo. No way, a bush Wookie. Jesus Christ.
What the hell? This is giving me epilepsy now, big time.
I Attack this objective.
This is actually unplayable. I'm just guessing where I am. Oh dear.
Here's your ammo, man. I need you to attack this objective.
Oh.
The hell?
What?
Destroyed helicopter blades and they're like red.
Hey?
I don't know, anything that's got a metally texture is like got red stuff all over it, like a red glossy texture.
Hmm.
We have set the
No
charge.
way I knifed him.
I need you to attack this objective. The enemy has defused the charge.
Whoa, okay, now this is completely unplayable.
Enemy infantry in your area
What's up now?
The black void of doom, it's like I can't even see ahead of me. Sort of.
It's a bit odd though that it only happens for this game and not
Any other game,
any
yeah.
others.
If it happened for loads of other games, I would have said it's my graphics card that's faulty, but it isn't, because
But if Radeon people haven't got this issue, then it has to be Nvidia.
well, most of them haven't. Oh my, where was he?
What do you mean most of them haven't?
Well, one or two people have reported them these
Oh,
bugs slightly, but I think they've been fixed now with the drivers that they released months ago.
But then how come you've still got it?
I don't know, and I'm getting sick of it. It's like, the thing is, I've never had it on them. Whoa. Okay, the road is made out of a giant boot texture.
Oh.
I think that's a boot, yeah, it looks like it. It's like a 2D model of a boot, just laid out on the road and just like tiled.
Ah, in like little tiles, yeah.
Well, this
I've seen that one
this is
before.
quite a big one though.
I think that's the pathing code on the game.
So they coded it so it showed a model of a boot.
Hostile sniper in the area.
No, they've coded over
Well, that
that.
guy went see-through then.
That was the base to build from. I'm arming B.
We have set the charge.
No freaking way. RPG on infantry again.
The objective. Repeat, we have taken out the objective. Fucking me up, man!
Yeah, I armed the objective like I'm boss.